want a candy?
Oh, you too. Well, I am a candy, and I'm not good. I'm not good, but some kids do eat me a little bit.
Okay.
Well, I'm so sorry I'm here, but I have an important job to do, so goodbye.
Goodbye. Nice to meet you. Oh, what is this?
I don't know. Let's investigate. It has this, and it has some shapes. Oh, look.
Yeah, I see. Looks like a toe. What is this?
That's a burger. The
Really?
burger.
But I see fruit.
Yeah, fruit is.
What kind of fruit?
Oh, wait a minute. That's a basket.
Yeah, basket with fruit. But what fruit does it have?
It has blue. Not blueberry. It's actually grapes. Purple grapes,
Looks
and
like
that's a banana. I think that's an orange. Looks like.
And watermelon?
Watermelon. Yeah.
What is this, Sophie? What is this?
This is another basket with vegetables.
Vegetables. Which vegetables? Can you tell me?
Carrots.
Yeah.
Tomatoes. Pepper.
Oh, yeah. Or maybe avocado.
I don't know. Lettuce.
Lettuce. What about potato? Cucumber.
And also
Garlic.
Garlic.
And potato.
Hi there. We're gonna learn about these.
Oh, what is this?
This
It's a mandarina.
mandarina, of course. Mango.
Red onion.
Yeah, red
That
onion.
in Spanish is cebolla roja.
Y esto.
Chayote.
Yeah. Y esto. Pear.
Yeah, looks like a pear.
And
This is pomegranate.
apple.
In Spanish is granada.
And look,
What is
we
this?
have here strawberry.
Strawberry. En español es fresas.
Fresas. Y cucumber.
No, or maybe es a calabacita. I don't know.
Lettuce.
Lettuce. This is another pear, yellow pear. Pera.
Yeah, maybe.
Pera.
Oh.
Oh, this is a
Apple.
manzana.
Yeah.
What is this?
Lemon.
Limon.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
That's all. Look, hi guys. I'm gonna do magic. Abracadabra.